Good morning. I am R. Krishnakumar from Mechanical and Mechatronics Department. Today we discuss about the subject name is Theory of Machine, the unit Mechanism and Kinematics. The topic is Mechanism and Machines. Mechanism and Machines are fundamental concept in the field of mechanical engineering and form the basis of the study of mechanism and kinematics. Every engineer's device that produces motion, transmit power, or perform useful work consisting of the mechanism and machines. Understanding this concept is essential for engineers involved in the design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. A mechanism is the combination of rigid bodies known as link connected by joints or kinematic pair in such a way that they produce a desired motion. The primary purpose of the mechanism is to transmit and transfer motion from one point to another. A mechanism is concerned mainly with motion and does not necessarily involve power transmission or the performance of useful work. It serves as the motion producing part of machinery. A mechanism. One link is usually fixed while the remaining link move related to each other. The motion may be rotational, translated, oscillatory, or a combination of these types. Mechanisms are designed to achieve specific motion characterized and are analyzed using principle of kinematics which focus on the motion without considering the force causes it. The study of mechanism and machines help engineer understand how motion is generated, controlled, and transmitted from one component to another, from simple hand-operated tools to sophisticated industrial robots. Every mechanism system relies on the principle of mechanism and machine to perform specific tasks efficiently and reliability. Kinematic pair in such a way that produce a desired motion. The primary of a mechanism is to transmit and transfer motion from one point to another. A mechanism is concerned mainly with motion and does not necessarily involve power transmission or the performance of a useful work. A machine, on the other hand, is a mechanical system that not only transmits motion but also translated energy to perform useful work. A machine consists of one or the more mechanism combined with additional components such as a power source, structural element, bearing, and control system. While the mechanism focuses solely on the motion generation, a machine utilizes that motion to accomplish a practical task. Machines are designed to reduce human effort, increase productivity, improve precision, and perform operations that would otherwise be a difficult or impossible. The study of the machine involve both kinematics and dynamics, where the force, torque, power, and energy are considered along with the motion. It serves as the motion producing a part of the machine in a mechanism on link usually fixed while the remaining link move relative to each other. The motion may be rotational, translation, oscillatory, or a combination of these types. Mechanism are designed to achieve specific motion characterized and are analyzed using principle of kinematics with focus on the motion without considering the force causing it. The relationship between mechanism and machines can be understood by considering that every machine contains at least one mechanism, but not every mechanism is a machine. A mechanism becomes a machine when it is capable of transmitting power and performing useful work. The study of the mechanism and mainly is closely related to kinematics and dynamics. Kinematics deals with the geometry of motion, including the displacement, velocity, and acceleration, without considering the force responsible for the motion. It helps engineers determine how machine components move related to one another. Dynamic, on the other hand, examine the force and torques that produce the result from motion. Together, kinematics and dynamics provides a comprehensive understanding of machine operation. While dynamics analysis ensure the machine can withstand operation loads and functional efficiently. For example, a simple four-bar linkage used for studying motion is merely a mechanism. However, when the same linkage is incorporated into a stamping press to perform the metal forming operation, it becomes the part of machine. This mechanism serves as the building blocks of the machine. The distinction between the two lies primarily in the presence of power transmission and useful work output. In conclusion, mechanism and machines are fundamental elements of a mechanical engineering and are central to the study of mechanism and kinematics. A mechanism is a combination of links and joints designed to produce to transmit motion, while the machine is a system that utilizes mechanism to transmit power and perform other useful works. Okay, thank you.